Right, Kristen, Mike, this first day ended with no jurors selected. So that means they will continue this process until they have 12 jurors and alternates seated. Today, we had the first 16 potential jurors go through that questioning process to determine if they can judge this case based solely on the evidence presented in trial. Sketches from inside the federal courtroom show the first sighting of Robert Bowers since his arrest in 2018. It will ultimately be up to 12 jurors to determine if Bowers is guilty of shooting and killing 11 people inside a Pittsburgh synagogue, and if convicted, will they all decide Bowers should receive the death penalty.
In order for the death penalty to be imposed, it has to be a unanimous verdict.
And for that reason, defense attorney Robert Del Greco, who is unaffiliated with this case, says the defense is looking for at least one juror who is against or unsure about their stance on the death penalty.
This case is going to be tried with regard to whether or not he faces a death penalty, not whether or not he's guilty, in my humble opinion.
It was a mix of opinions from jurors on the death penalty. Two potential jurors said they knew people who knew victims. One potential juror became emotional during discussion of the shootings having happened in a place of worship. Another admitted they had already formed strong opinions on the case, which they were unsure they could disregard. Del Greco noting 2 million people in the Western District of Pennsylvania are eligible to be jurors.
You would think that at some point we could get some neutral and detached and objective jurors from that 2 million jury pool. But I dare say that every one of those 2 million people, I think, would have heard of this case and have formulated some opinion prior to today.
As for Bowers' disposition during jury selection, he appeared to be taking notes and at times talking to his defense attorneys seated next to him. His defense team includes both federal public defenders and private attorney Judy Clark, who represented the Unabomber and the Boston Marathon bomber. And jury selection will pick back up tomorrow morning, and again, this process could take weeks. Reporting live downtown, Kaylee Gunderson, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.